Let's take a look at alternative forms of organizations. Traditionally, bureaucratic organizations signaled the division of labor, specialization, and an absence of functional overlap. Another set of issues that's emerged to challenge the most basic assumptions about the appropriateness of bureaucracy as an organizing principle. Specifically, three developments have taken place that encourage informed thinking about alternatives to bureaucracy as a form of organization. First, the availability of technologies such as smartphones, broadband, and Wi Fi has significantly expanded the capability to perform substantive tasks in both public and private organizations. Scientific and other professional research and expertise have affected so much of public policy making that it's difficult to imagine things like climate change, transportation, agriculture, urban planning, or national defense without them. The technologies involved in operating an organization have themselves given rise to new specialties in the field of management and the development of software to respond. The result has been a proliferation of new collaborative and cross functional units devoted to functions that were unknown in most organizations just a few years ago. Second, the growth of complex knowledge has been characterized by increasing interdependence of fields of knowledge. Interdependent teams of experts acting as consultants to industry or government organizations are increasingly common. In these situations, hierarchical channels of authority would be highly dysfunctional and tend to interfere with the accomplishment of stated objectives. Other organization forms have also needed to be developed. Third, the rise of professionalism in many occupations has triggered an emphasis of professionalism itself in public organizational activities. Consequently, this has strengthened the organizational tendencies towards diversity and created the need for different styles of management among diverse professionals. Some claim that professionalism might have made bureaucratic hierarchy somewhat inappropriate as a principle of organization.